22. Y equals log base 5 of the square root of x.
Trust me, it's like surfing.
No, I don't want to get waterboarded.
Trust me, it's like surfing. It's fine.
I don't know how to surf.
Yeah, log. What do you mean?
Log.
So can't we?
Oh wait, I know this. Wait, no, I don't.
The-
Okay,
Think of the derivative.
Derivative.
Right.
Not solving.
That's
Derivative.
That's where we were going.
Nathan was prepared to solve it.
What?
Oh, so it equals this one is
This is a chain rule.
1 over
Yep.
Okay, so
U ln a.
1
I don't know.
over ln 5. Wait, oh yeah, the thing. The whatever it's called.
1 over u.
Oh, that's
Is that you? Oh,
ln
that's you.
5.
Wait. So. Oh yeah, ln 5 times. Root x.
Times times. Because let's make
One
it
half.
x to the half.
Yeah. I always
Okay.
do that.
So then half 1/2 x to the negative half.
Oh yeah. Show me fractions.
Let's combine
How do you want me to do that?
Yeah, should we put the 1/2 on the bottom? Like, wait, put it back to square root or something? Or no?
Well, yeah, but it's a negative, so what do I need to do?
Put it on the bottom.
Put it on the bottom.
So 1 over 2 square root of x. When I move this one to the bottom, I'm going to rewrite it as square root of x. ln of 5.
Wait, so when you just move there?
I moved the 2 from the 1/2 to the bottom, and then I moved this x to the negative 1/2 to the bottom as a square root.
Oh, I forgot to write that.
Can we multiply the square root?
What does that give you?
X.
So you just keep it out, so.
So 1 over 2 x ln 5. And something we probably shouldn't. Hmm,
There's something else.
no.
Oh.
Well, yes, actually. If we go back to our original, what can x only be? Positive. So the book notes that it should be for x greater than 0, but I wouldn't mark off if you didn't have that, but just more of an FYI. And we can't have a 0 inside the log, so that's why it can't be 0. Now, if we were going to get really technical, all of them should have some kind of disclaimer like that, but
Yeah.
the book only does it for this one and like one other one. It's weird.
Just pick and choose.
It just decides what it feels like that day, I think. 24. Y equals 1 over log base 2 of x.
Can we rewrite it?
No.
So I can do quotient rule?
Quotient rule.
I was gonna do 1 over 1 over.
The devil doesn't stay away forever. That's what they say.
Who says that?
I've never heard.
Literally, the Bible.
I've heard
You
the
mean
devil and the.
It only leaves for a season or something.
I don't get it.
All right. So what is the quotient rule?
U prime v minus u v prime divided by. Is it 2?
Okay, so tell me what to write. Not in U's and B's.
Okay, so like
So
disregard
the derivative of
first
1
part.
is just.
0.
We're just gonna
So it's-
disregard.
I'm
that.
just going to
So-
momentarily write a 0
Yeah,
because
minus.
Minus.
Oh, because it's. So yeah, 'cause it's
that's why I wrote the 0 minus.
1 times, obviously, 1 over x ln 2 times, oh wait, oh it's not general because it's just x.
Yeah.
Over
Why are you so aggressive?
log base 2 x squared.
Now what? Got a fraction on the top. What should I do?
Should multiply by the reciprocal.
No.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm trying
If I have a fraction divided by
to
some
multiply
number,
by the wait,
No.
you
So
said that?
the
I already said.
a fraction divided by some number is the same as multiplying by what?
The reciprocal.
No.
a fraction divided by some number.
The
By some
inverse.
number.
It'd be multiplying.
So if I
1
had,
over the
what would you tell me that's equal to?
3 over 2.
No.
1/6.
1/6. How'd you do that?
That's what I meant.
I
You
multiply
multiply
by
the-
the reciprocal.
No.
You multiply
Wait.
the 2 and the 3. So
I'll
You multiplied 1/2 by 1/3.
Oh, that's not what I
Wait,
was
I'm
thinking.
sure.
But like that's the
Is that not
reciprocal
the
of
reciprocal?
3. 1/3 the reciprocal of 3.
No, the reciprocal would be negative.
But
There you go.
reciprocal, okay. I see what you're saying, but we don't call it that because you're going to get confused.
Inverse.
Because we normally, when we say a reciprocal, we would be like that. Like it would flip the, hold on, let me do something like this. If you have like this, the reciprocal would be 3/2. You flip it and multiply it. Which I guess in a sense is what's happening, but that wasn't what I was trying to get you to say. I was trying to get you to say 1/2 times 1/3.
Oh. Okay.
So what would this be?
1 over x ln 2 times 1 over log.
The log.
Not 1/.
Oh.
It would be.
Just.
Hold up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well.
Because this is just a 0. If that was something else, we couldn't do what we just did.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Stop that.
I'm getting confuddled.
Don't say that.
No, not William. In the last comment saying he was confuddled.
Yeah.
Is this what you were trying to tell me? You
Yes.
just want me to do it separate? Okay, I just put it together because I didn't need
Yeah,
to do
so
it.
it just says
Oh.
I just put it together and not have to write it multiple times.
Is that as far as we go? Like,
Mm-hmm. We can't go farther than that. All right, 34. Y equals x to the 1 plus the square root of 2.
Okay. So like.
It's easier than it looks, I promise.
I hope so.
How would we ordinarily take the derivative?
You move
Exponent
that
goes
out front.
Exponent goes out front.
Oh, I think I see.
What's going to happen up here?
-1. So,
So
get
just
rid of the
root
1.
two.
So it's just
So, -1. So we're just left with root 2.
Oh, I'm tricked.
This is where that new power rule that we got yesterday that I said we basically already knew this, that's where this comes in.
Wait, how is it like new though?
It's not. It's just a different way to write it.
Oh.
It's basically just making you think about it a little differently.
Hi.
I? Why'd she say I?
No. I
She said I.
No.
You what?
I didn't say I.
Are you Australian?
I did
might. I might. I
I didn't
might.
even say that.
All right, I think that's good.
You're not delusional. I didn't say that.
All right,
Okay, maybe.
Okay.
15 through 25 odd, and then 33 and 35.
That's nasty.
If you want some like quote unquote quiz practice, I mean we're just having a test, but if you want some quiz practice, on page 185 there is a AP prep thing that's some multiple choice and then a free response question. You may or may not be able to do 4. Scratch 4. Don't do 4. Just do 1 through 3. You don't know enough information to do number 4.